Hi guys, welcome our channel Learn Something. Now we are going to discuss about weather forecast and agro advisories. Let's move. Weather forecasting is the application of science and technology to predict the condition of the atmosphere which we are going to happen for a given location and time. And these are all the technologies used in the weather forecasting: satellite, remote sensing, geographic information system, and global positioning system. Every activity is depending on weather forecasting. For example, aviation. In aviation, to avoid facing the bad weather condition, to avoid flight accidents. In mountaineering, to avoid trapping in avalanches, in which the weather forecasting is used, and to give the precautions to the people in cyclone, flood, and drought conditions. There are three types of weather forecasting. First one is short range weather forecast. Second one is the medium range weather forecast. Third one is the long range weather forecast. Let us see one by one in details. First one is the short range. It has the validity up to 72 hours. It has accuracy of about 70 to 80% of accuracy. It has divided into two sections: now casting and very short range. Now casting, it has validity up to 2 hours, and very short range forecast, it has a validity up to half day or 12 hours. It has emphasis on temperature, wind velocity and direction, sunshine duration, time and amount of precipitation, and relative humidity. It has applicability to irrigation scheduling, timing of agricultural operation, and plant protection. Second one is the medium range weather forecast. It has a validity up to 3 to 10 days. It has accuracy of about 60 to 70%. It emphasizes on type of weather, sequence of rainy days, weather hazards such as strong wind, dry spells, etc. It has applicability to decision on sowing time, sowing depth, scheduling irrigation, time of harvest, timing of plant protection, labor requirement. Third one is the long range weather forecast. It has the validity more than 10 days. It has accuracy of 60% accuracy. It emphasizes on abnormal temperature and precipitation. It has the applicability to soil moisture management, time of irrigation, crops and cultivar selection, decision on cropping pattern, and predicting crop yields. And then agro advisory services. It provides basic, timely, and accurately pre-information of different climate and weather condition of different crops. Agro advisory services helpful to farmers for increased interest, knowledge, adoption, and impact of climate changes on agricultural practices, which is used to taking the advantages of benevolent weather and minimize the adverse impact of malevolent weather. Agro advisory services communicate the people through the mass communication mode, SMS, then FM, then near institutions and their own websites to communicate the people in weather forecasting informations. Next, let us see about broad activities of agromet advisories. The first activity is sowing or transplanting of kharif crops based on the onset of monsoon, and sowing of rabi crops using residual soil moisture, and fertilizer application based on the wind condition, delaying fertilizer application based on the intensity of rain. Then prediction of occurrence of pest and disease based on weather disease, propel activity measure at appropriate time to eradicate pest and disease, and weeding or thinning at regular interval, and irrigation at a critical stage of the crop. And advisories for a timely harvest of crops. And advisories are delivered to the end users without any delay. It is disseminated in English and local languages. Quantity and timing of irrigation based on meteorological threshold. Weather forecast and agro advisory services comes under the IMD department, which extend India Meteorological Department. It was established in 1875. Thanks for watching this video.